Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If previous tech spec leaks are to be believed, the S23 Ultra will feature a massive 200 megapixels main sensor. That will pull it in line with the recently released Xiaomi 12T Pro, while a 1/1.3 sensor size keeps it competitive with the iPhone 14 Pro. It looks set to remain part of a 5-sensor array, with 4 cameras and 1 laser focus sensor on the current generation. Samsung has traditionally favored top-spec camera technology in its handsets, and the recent release of the Vivo X90 Pro and the Xiaomi 12T Pro has shown that cheaper devices can keep the pace. Of course, software is just as big a part of a good phone camera as hardware these days, and Samsung is likely to have the edge there. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated handsets this year. Samsung's flagship Android phone is tipped to be one of the best phones available once it gets released. A recent leak of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's design render suggested a sleek handset with a gentle, but noticeable, redesign. The bezels were uniformly slim around the display and the camera array looked flush with the back of the case. It was hugely popular with fans online. Coupled with an earlier leak of the technical specs, the S23 Ultra was shaping up to be a real disruptor in the world of high-end phones. But that may be about to change. Thanks to new information from renowned tipster, Ice Universe, opens a new tab. A post on their official Twitter account says, S23 Ultra doesn't have a symmetrical bezel like the CAD rendering. It still has a narrow forehead and a wide chin. The tweet goes on to say, the laser focus sensor and 3x lens of the camera part are not flat. And there is still a little bulge. It sounds like the S23 Ultra's design will be much more similar to the previous generation.